I'm Lucy with Ross Monster Vans, and today I want to show you around this Sprinter 144 4x4 that we just wrapped up. So exterior features of this rig include a Fiamma awning, and then we have our Illuminous tread plate Nerf bars on the side. We have one by the driver's door and in the rear. And then lastly, we have these bug screens. So these are going to be at the sliding door as well as the doors in the rear. Let's step inside and check it out. So once we step inside this vehicle, some of the design features that stand out immediately, we have these cherry slab door cabinets throughout. We have butcher block countertops. We have oak floors. And then all of our custom panels on the walls are upholstered with Duramax. Additionally, our trifold bench seat is also upholstered in Duramax, and that's going to be the midnight blue color. In the galley area of this vehicle, we have our single burner true induction cooktop. We have our isotherm 4.6 cubic foot fridge and freezer combo. So the freezer's up in the far left there. We have a ton of storage in this kitchen, so all of these uppers are going to open. The microwave stored on this side. All of this is going to be on gas struts for easy opening and closing. We have our 7-gallon gray water tank underneath the sink. And then our sink is going to be a 15 by 20 Rivati workstation with a cutting board insert. And then just final storage for this kitchen area. We have a silverware drawer on the left here, a nice little cubby space to the side as well. And then lastly, our bench seat storage here. Moving on to the bench seat of this van, we have our custom Ross Monster trifold mattress here. We have our Lagoon mount table on it as well. So this this bench seat is going to fold all the way out into our second sleeping area. So this rig will be able to sleep 4 comfortably. So I showed you the storage on the driver's side. I'll show you on the passenger side of the vehicle. We have storage for our Serene Life travel toilet. So you just take that out and we have our travel toilet in there. So now I'll go ahead and make the bed so you can see what that looks like. So all of our trifold bench bed combos work with these leg mounts. You just screw them in underneath the bench here, and that gives us our support for when it's fully laid out. There you go. Second sleeping area for 2. All right, in the rear of this vehicle, as I mentioned before, we're gonna have these bug screens. These are on magnets, so super easy to go in and out of. Additionally, we have the Illuminous tread plate, like I was mentioning. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up so that we can check out the inside. So in the rear of this van, we have our black hex ply. Our flooring continues in. We also have separate garage lighting for this section of the van. On the driver's side, this is going to be our water cabinet. So we have our 30-gallon freshwater tank with a 2-stage water filtration system. So this is going to be from clear source. Everything that comes out of the freshwater tank is going to filter through that system. And then on the passenger side of this vehicle, we have our electrical cabinet. So in here we have 310 amp hours of AGM supercycle battery. We have 300 watts of solar coming in. And then we also have our 3000 watt inverter. Turn off those lights. That sums up this van tour. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. Again, I'm Lucy with Ross Monster Vans, and have a great rest of your day.
Inspired by the DIY van life movement, the versatile new Solis Pocket from Winnebago lets you enjoy outdoor adventures without breaking the bank. The Pocket is well equipped for backcountry excursions with a flexible interior, plenty of storage, and extended season camping capability. Yet it's maneuverable and efficient enough for everyday use around town. The Pocket's flexible living space conforms to your needs and features a dinette with a 3-point seatbelt that easily converts to a sofa, a daybed, or a love seat. The cab seats swivel to provide additional lounge seating. Multi-use storage along the dinette sidewall supports remote working with bottom-hinged storage cabinets for files, laptops, or supplies, and pockets for storing and charging electronics. A modular lightweight load-carrying equipment, or MOLLE panel, can be used to secure the removable galley storage pack, outdoor gear, or other accessories. The cross-coach Murphy Plus platform bed is set at a higher point, so bicycles or other large gear can be stored below the bed using the cargo tie-downs or the molly panel. A long counter opposite the bed provides an extra food prep surface or can serve as a workspace for prepping outdoor gear. The Pockets galley offers functionality inside and outside the coach, with an exterior table, forward-facing refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and 2-burner cooktop. Extended season capability lets you camp in comfort thanks to the Truma VarioHeat heating system, extensive proprietary insulation, and composite flooring. As a result, the Pocket provides enhanced heat retention, earning gold certification from Truma, a leading supplier in the RV heating and cooling category, for its cold weather capability. All water tanks, valves, lines, and pumps are located inside the coach to protect them from freezing. The Pocket is one of the only camper vans in North America with a fillable or exchangeable 20-pound propane tank, and it's located inside the coach for added convenience. Its fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster chassis provides significant ground clearance, is easy to maneuver and park thanks to its compact 136-inch wheelbase, and features a digital rearview mirror that converts from a reflective mirror to a real-time video stream. Perhaps best of all, in addition to its fuel economy, flexibility, and cold weather capability, the new Solis Pocket just happens to be the most affordable camper van in the Winnebago lineup. Learn more about the Solis Pocket and find your local dealer at winnebago.com.
El Capitan Vans introduces its Class B RV Dreamweaver. The Dreamweaver is built on a 170 high-roof Sprinter chassis. This Class B RV has 3 additions with a variety of seating and sleeping arrangements. This model includes a full-size interior shower, kitchen galley, and lightweight bed system. Seats are equipped with 360 swivel bases, adjustable armrests, and reclining function. Swivel around to use the mini flip-up tables as needed. The Dreamweaver has a full kitchen galley with stainless steel drawer refrigerator with top freezer and easily accessible microwave above. Galley includes a deep dish sink with removable bamboo top with adjustable handle and sprayer, with dual induction stovetop and 3 storage drawers. The ProAir 12-volt AC system runs off our lithium battery. An additional battery is available with the Power Up upgrade for additional runtime. The Dreamweaver model has a spacious interior shower with flexible shower head and retractable door. The flip-up table converts the back of your van into a perfect dining area or workstation. The 72-inch fold-out side-facing sofa instantaneously converts from seating to sleeping. Recessed aviation tracks for easy tie-downs. The Honey Bunny bed system comes equipped with a lightweight core material that is stronger and easier to store and fasten than any bed system on the market. The removable panels secure to elevating bed rails, mounted to wall aviation tracks. Complete with 3 individual bed cushions that fold up and out of the way, optimizing space under and on top of the bed. Easy accessible dashboard panel for operation of exterior lights. Keep track of your battery charge with the Lithionics mobile app. The Dreamweaver has a commodious roof rack provided with 2 90-watt solar panels and side ladder. Proceed with caution when ascending and descending from the roof rack. A full suspension kit is available with Final Fantasy upgrade. Powered by the push of a button, the power awning is perfect for outdoor gatherings. 2 telescopic legs are pulled from either side of awning for support that attach to the side of the vehicle. Equipped with brush guard running boards. Start living your dream with El Capitan Vans.
guys, this is Grace with Tourig coming to you from our shop in snowy Colorado. We just wanted to take the time to walk you through one of our most recent builds that just came out of production. This conversion was based off one of our most popular 170 models, with a few customer tweaks to fit their family needs. Let's take a look inside. Typically, this layout is built for two, but by customer request, we put in a third removable seat with our custom-tailored executive captain's chair. This road-tested Tourig captain's chair is easily removed when not in use to open up the living space. Now with the seat removed, let's take a tour of the inside. The first thing you'll notice is this nice settee, which opens up to provide extra storage. This customer chose to go with dual burner induction cooktop, stainless steel fridge and freezer, and walnut countertops. On this side of the split galley, we have a stainless sink with ample storage underneath. The next feature you'll notice is our fully enclosed stainless steel shower unit with a removable magnetic shower door. This shower includes a shower light, marine grade shower faucet, portable Dometic marine toilet, and a non-slip floor. Moving back, you'll see our dual platform fully removable sleeping system. 2 adults can sleep up top and 3 kids below, and it can also be easily converted into 2 separate lower bunks. In a few easy steps, the sleeping area can be converted into a dining and entertainment area for friends and family. Out the back, we have a hot and cold rear shower or wash down. And with our exclusive Tourig Airliner cabinets, you have easy access to both your water system and your electrical system. A host of options allow for greater versatility to fit any of your travel needs. When not being used as a sleeping area, this lower cargo garage can be used to store your bikes and whatever other toys you might want to bring with you on the road.
Welcome everybody to Sync Vans. We've got an Upland 144 here for you. Some cool features to check out. You can see we have a lot of seat operations. You have the 3 seats across. This one also has the 2 seats in the back. Has a flip-up table. Like in all the vans, you see a lot of different options on different colors. This one has a lot of wood texture, green color to it. Nice bright white back accents, white countertop. Changed to a bunch of square sinks. Those are really nice. Has a little task light that's automatically activated. So like all of our Uplands, they come with a few bed choices. This is a high bed choice for bikes underneath, ski racks underneath. Since it is an Upland, there's not enough space for the refrigerator in the kitchen galley. There is a portable refrigerator for this client. For the Upland, you got your magnetic blinds in the back, simple light controls, dimmable light controls, heating controls. Our signature version of a track system that can be modified very easily. Touch activated reading lights in the back, also dimmable. This client featured one of the awning lights. You see that with a lot of them now. Low powered rigid awning lights mounted into the roof rack assembly under the awning, so when the awning is deployed, you have some task lights underneath. Fairly standard Upland rear end. Most of the back vans, typical shower wand and hose. We do have a new shower wand coming up, not this one, but there will be a new one that is actually magnetic. But shower features on this side. This client chose to have the air compressor on this side.
Peak, the definition of customization. Every unique element is taken into consideration when designing and engineering your peak van with outside van. This is the ultimate custom van design experience, where you choose every detail of this unparalleled vehicle, just like a cyclist fine-tuning a bike, a climber adjusting a harness, or a skier dialing in their bindings. We create your dream van with unique specifications that make this van truly yours. To start designing your fully customized peak van, browse our peak options on our website to explore the customization possibilities, and then submit your wish list. An outside van team member will contact you with a timeline and estimate for your van conversion. We'll discuss your fully customized design from your layout and component options to colors and materials. With decades of design and production experience, we're ready to build your dream vehicle. Throughout the build process, you'll receive progress updates, and once your van build is complete, your van will be ready to pick up at our facility in Portland, Oregon. During your delivery, the outside van team will give you an expert briefing on the proper usage of your van systems, so you're prepared for the open road. Wherever your peak van takes you, the journey and the destination are one and the same. Every single detail, color, and texture comes directly from your creativity, your perfect design, your perfect road trip. You're ready for a life of freedom and adventure.